Hello, today I'm going to walk you through how to access Learning.com. Learning.com is a program that allows the students to interact with different technology tools from typing to digital citizenship all the way up to computer science. This is something that the county has provided for you to use with your students. Lessons have already been assigned, so you don't need to worry about assigning lessons. And I'm going to kind of walk you through today how to do that. Yourself and the students will access it through Clever. So once you go into Clever, you'll look for Learning.com and you'll click on Learning.com. Once you click on Learning.com, it'll take you to your dashboard. Your dashboard will show all the classes that you see in Synergy is what you will see here. So you will see first grade, language arts, math, science, social studies, or whatever grade you're on, and those. The students, when they go in, they will only see two. They will see their homeroom, which is your grade level and your name, and then they will see social studies. These are the two that they will see and have access to. We're going to go through and we're going to walk you through what these all look like and go through these pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and click on first grade. To see the class, all you do is click on view class. It will take you into your class and show you exactly what they have access to. In the homeroom, that's where the Tech Quest will be. The Tech Quest is just a gamification type activity that takes them through all the lessons that are assigned for that grade level, and it goes in order. So it'll start digital citizenship, it'll work all the way up to keyboarding and computer science as they go through those things. If you want them to go ahead and work directly on keyboarding and bypass some of those other things, then you can have them go to social studies. And in the social studies, you will have the different keyboarding assignments assigned to the students. We have gone ahead and already assigned those to all your students, and they are there for you to use based on the needs for your grade level. So that's how you would access those two. Now within your course, on your teacher side, you have the access to set some class settings. Some of these you will want to go ahead through and set these up before you have the students go through and start interacting with these lessons. So once you're on your teacher dashboard, you're going to go to the subject. So again, the only two the students that you'll have to change, because the only two the students have, are your homeroom and then social studies. So I'm going to go up to class settings. Under class settings, I'm going to see my class. Now you can give it to a nickname, but since we have already had these pulled from our SIS, from Synergy, the names won't change. It'll just stay the same, just like they're showing on here. Okay? Same thing with the grade level has already been chosen for you. Now, down underneath that same column, you're going to see where it says minimum score. This is where you can set a minimum score for what the students need to achieve in order to move on to the next lesson. The suggestion is to do between 75 and 80%. Those are just so that the 75 and 80%, that's going to show that as long as the students get 75 to 80% accuracy, then it'll allow them to move on. Anything less than that, then it's not really allowing the kids to show their true potential and actually learn from the program. So all I need to do to change that is go in here. I'm just going to go ahead and click on 80, and then it automatically saves those settings. And now the students will have to hit 80% in order to move on to those next lessons. I can then go over to my other subject, go to class settings, and I can change those as well as we go through there. So those are the two that you'll want to go through and set those. And once you have those settings, then you can just have the students go in and interact during your small group time, as a choice time, or any of those pieces throughout your day. And if you have any questions on anything else, there are some other resources in the library that you can actually go through to assign certain lessons to the kids. If you would like more information about that, just either stop by to me, but also we'll record some other videos that will kind of go through some of these other features in more depth.